Imagine holding a crisp banknote in your hands. At first glance, it's just a piece of colored paper, but embedded within its fibers are secrets of science, art, and technology, all woven together to answer a single question. How do you outsmart a counterfeiter? This is the story behind our everyday money. Currency notes packed with invisible guardians, intricate features, and design choices made to thwart even the most clever forger. And yet, even the most ordinary bill you carry has a tale of innovation hidden in plain sight. Let's start with something you might not have noticed. If you tilt a modern banknote under the light, it seems to shift and shimmer. Colors appear to dance or change. This isn't just for show. That color-shifting ink is carefully engineered, making it nearly impossible to copy with a simple home printer or scanner. It's all thanks to tiny flakes of high-tech materials, layered just right so that light reflects differently, depending on the angle. The result is an effect your eyes recognize instantly, but a photocopier can't hope to duplicate. Think about why this matters. If anyone could print money with the right paper and printer, trust in the economy would evaporate. So, this seemingly small detail, shifting color ink, is actually a frontline defender of value. But before we even get to the ink, there's the very canvas the note is printed on. Most currency notes aren't made of wood-based paper, like the pages in a book. They use a specially crafted blend, usually cotton and linen fibers, sometimes with added synthetic threads. This doesn't just create a distinct feel, soft yet tough. It also means ordinary paper, like that from an office supply store, fails the touch test instantly. Some countries go even further, adopting polymer plastics as the base for their notes. These polymer notes survive water, last longer, and can carry even more sophisticated features, from transparent windows to holograms that challenge counterfeiters even more. Imagine the journey of a blank sheet. At specialized plants under tight security, the raw material is mixed, pressed, and cut with incredible precision. All the while, supervisors check to ensure no stray fiber or flaw is present, because even a tiny imperfection could give counterfeiters a clue about how the real thing is made. Next comes the printing process, and here, art and engineering meet. Take the idea of Intaglio printing. The ink sits slightly raised on the surface, producing a subtly rough texture you can feel with your fingertips. Try running your fingernail along the portrait or the numbers on a real note. That bumpiness is a result of plates pressed into the surface at tremendous force. This does more than add a tactile element. It means that people, including those with visual impairments, can independently identify genuine currency. But it's also devilishly tricky to replicate with standard consumer equipment. The technology for proper intaglio printing is industrial grade and tightly controlled. Now, spot the security thread, a thin, embedded piece of metal or plastic, complete with microprinted text or designs. Sometimes it even glows a certain color under ultraviolet light. The thread often weaves through the note, visible only at certain angles, like a hidden signature. Why not print the thread on top? Because embedding it within the paper makes it virtually impossible to add after the note is made without damaging the structure. It's like hiding a secret in the dough, then baking the bread. Once it's been through the process, you simply can't add it later. Even the ink itself can be full of surprises. Some inks fluoresce under specific wavelengths. Others might only appear in infrared or ultraviolet. So, at a checkpoint, or when holding a note up to a security lamp, invisible patterns suddenly flare into view. Secret numbers, shapes, or symbols, known only to those trained to look for them. Take a closer look at the fine lines and curves in the portrait or border. This is microprinting. At first glance, it all looks like an ordinary part of the design. But reach for a magnifying glass, and you may notice an entire sentence or series of numbers printed so minutely that to most machines it appears as a continuous line, unable to be copied by basic scanners or copiers. Every added detail increases the time and cost it would take to fake a note convincingly. Counterfeiters are forced to cut corners or make errors, and even a small difference in line thickness or ink quality stands out to experts, or sometimes to you. Think of this as a race. Designers innovate, counterfeiters adapt, and a new generation of features is dreamt up, tested, and added, always looking for the next leap forward. Reflect on how all these features blend utility and beauty. Many currency notes incorporate national symbols, historic figures, or cultural landmarks. But every image chosen is designed with security in mind. Complex backgrounds, detailed patterns, and overlapping colors not only convey identity, they complicate the counterfeiter's task. Some notes even use sophisticated holographic strips. Tilt the note, and you may see a crest or symbol that appears three-dimensional, morphing as you change the angle. Designing these requires lasers, advanced printing presses, and a precise understanding of optics, a far cry from traditional ink and paper. But security isn't only about technology, it's about psychology too. What makes a banknote feel trustworthy? Why do our hands recognize a fake immediately, even before our brains can explain why? There's a familiarity to the texture, weight, and even smell of money. We're unconsciously trained to trust or doubt based on these cues. Central banks employ teams of engravers, chemists, physicists, and designers, all working in utmost secrecy, inventing methods they hope the world's counterfeiters haven't seen. Some features, like serial numbers, are familiar, but others are quietly updated between printings, keeping even close observers guessing about what might have changed. Lost or worn-out notes are meticulously tracked, destroyed under careful observation, and replaced. That's why if you receive a worn-out bill, you'll often find local banks eager to swap it for a fresh one. The life cycle of a note is as carefully controlled at its end as at its beginning. There's another subtler effect. The very complexity of a banknote, the combination of overt and covert security details, acts as a kind of deterrent. If making an undetectable fake requires hundreds of thousands in industrial equipment and months of effort, most will give up before they begin. At the same time, currency is a public document. While some security features are announced, others are intentionally kept secret. That way, when a new batch arrives, only trained technicians know exactly what to look for. A hidden watermark in a different spot, perhaps, or an updated thread material. Watermarks are another marvel. Place the note against the light, and you'll often see a ghostly image, a duplicate of the portrait or a national icon. Proper watermarks are embedded as the paper is manufactured, not added later. Achieving the right shading and detail takes craftsmanship and control over the thickness of the material itself. Consider, too, the logistical side behind the creation of currency. Each country must forecast demand, track the flow of cash, and ensure that billions of notes are in the right place at the right time. Currency printing facilities operate with military-level security, tracking every sheet, every rejected note, every step in the process with cameras and physical audits. Some of the more advanced notes now contain RFID chips or optically variable devices used to track large denominations or enable additional digital checks. These developments hint at a future where physical and digital security merge even more closely. But despite all this complexity, the most powerful security feature is awareness. The public, cashiers, bank tellers, and you are the first line of defense, trained to look for color shifts, threads, unique textures, and watermarks. It's the combination of high-tech science and human intuition that keeps currency robust, reliable, and stable. Counterfeiting remains a constant game of cat and mouse. Whenever a significant flaw is discovered in existing notes, new features are rolled out, and old designs are withdrawn. It's rare for a single note to be infallible, but the sheer variety and redundancy of security measures add up to a system that is overwhelmingly resilient. Each new generation of banknotes carries forward lessons learned and mistakes corrected. A note in your wallet may reflect decades or even centuries of ingenuity, built up layer by layer. And while you might use it without a second thought, a whole world of science and art lies beneath your fingertips. So, the next time you buy a coffee or tuck a note into your wallet, take a moment to examine it a little closer. See the color shifts, the repeating patterns, the embedded threads, and the microscopic details. Consider just how much thought, energy, and invention went into making it far more than a simple piece of paper. In this tiny rectangle, nations signal trust, wage a quiet war against forgery, and weave together tradition, creativity, and science, all in service of a promise. That value, once agreed upon, can endure, be trusted, and exchanged by millions every single day.